This 2020 Heartland Milestone 377 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, DVD player, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, skylight, LP detector, microwave, spare tire kit, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Heartland Milestone 377 megabytes is 12,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.